Congratulations on 75 years, RAVENOL. RAVENOL, 75 years old. Dear RAVENOL family, 75th birthday. 75 years of RAVENOL, many congratulations.
RAVENOL, a Westphalian success story. Exactly 75 years ago, in Werther, in Eastern Westphalia, the foundations were laid for what would later grow to become one of the most innovative companies in the field of lubricant manufacturing. Ravensberger Schmierstoffvertrieb GmbH, trading under the brand name RAVENOL, is a producer of high-quality premium lubricants for a wide variety of uses, both on land and on water. Over the decades, the RAVENOL brand has seen continuous development and has transformed into a global player, at least since its comprehensive brand launch and its expansion to include a second production location in Lubmin by the Baltic Sea in 2012. This long-established company has grown into a force to be reckoned with in the fiercely competitive international lubricants market.
The RAVENOL Group already had in mind its vision of being one of the most modern lubricant plants in Europe when it decided on the Lubmin site about 10 years ago.
In more than 90 countries worldwide, car drivers and companies in the automotive, mechanical engineering, steel and construction industries all benefit from RAVENOL's high-quality products, as do companies in the mining industry, the transportation sector, and the farming sector. In line with its international focus, RAVENOL participates in all the significant international trade fairs in the automotive and motorcycle sector. In order to meet the exacting standards it sets itself, the company works on its product development in close collaboration with manufacturers and companies from the engineering sector. Numerous approvals from leading OEMs such as Mercedes-Benz, BMW, VW, or Porsche are testament to the fact that we fulfill the most stringent requirements of the automotive industry. In addition to its own aspiration of guaranteeing an exceptionally high-quality product portfolio, RAVENOL is always conscious of its ecological responsibilities. The performance and quality of the RAVENOL products are also reflected in its success in motorsport.
In the last years, we've been able to consistently extend our motorsport program and take it to an even higher level. This includes working with the motorsport department of well-known car manufacturers and, of course, our entry into Formula One as a team partner. In the last few years in particular, we have managed to take huge steps as a global player and win over new international sales markets for ourselves. We will also continue to pursue our strategies and goals for constant improvement, and we will do this as a team from production through to administration.
Even now, in its 75th anniversary year and as a manufacturer enjoying global success, the company has lost none of its familiar charm.
We have employees who have been working for RAVENOL for more than 30 years. They are, of course, delighted to pass on their specialist knowledge that they have gleaned over this long period to their new colleagues. Otherwise, such successful production at this location would not be conceivable. Many thanks for your support. We are looking forward to many more years of successful partnership. All the best, keep being successful, and thanks for the great partnership. Long-term partner, loyal partner, we are looking forward to continuing our partnership. Stay well, stay successful. At this point, I would like to thank you very much for the long-lasting partnership to the next 75 years. We would like to thank you for the collaboration and are looking forward to many more years. 75 years of RAVENOL. Congratulations. All the best for the next 75 years.
Always striving to offer its customers the best possible product and outstanding service, RAVENOL has never lost its sense of responsibility towards its employees. This is the only way for us to ensure that we achieve what has made us so successful in the last 75 years in the future too. 100% made in Germany.